this is what happens when you walk into a safety zone on one of the Mercury CNC routers. Okay, I'm using the halt test and the halt resume test buttons, which are on the right hand side. And you can see we've got some code running. So you can see this movement in the DROs on the left hand side. And this is the job that is running. Now, if somebody walks into one of the light barriers or onto the safety mat, this is what happens. So, bear with me a second. So this is as if somebody's walked onto the safety mat and the Z stops, the spindle stops and the Z rises up. Okay, so these crosshairs are the tool point at the moment. Right, so it's raised away from the work. While it's up, and now the machine is totally safe. There's no movement here. The spindle's off, the brush is up, and the head is right up out the way at -15 away from the home switch. Okay, when we resume that, the spindle comes on, the brush goes down, and then the machine goes back to its original start point and carries on its job. So it's totally restarted the job exactly from where you left off. So the halt test would be the safety mat, and the halt resume test would be a button on the post on the way out of the safety zone, which you just press once you've left the safety zone. Okay, let's just put it back in the halt test. I'll show you a nice little feature, which you can't do on most controls, but you can do on this one. When it's up there, the usual reason for an operator walking in is if something is not quite right, or if you have a piece that's tipped up or a bit of debris which is in the work area. If there's something in the work area here that needs to be removed out the way. Okay, so the operator will often need to jog the machine out the way, so you can see the crosshairs moving. That's where the head position is, and we can jog it out the way. Or you can do that with the wireless handset controller, or you could send it to a park position. So we'll just send it to a park position. So that's right out the way, that's the head right at the back of the machine. So you can now clear the job. And then when we go back in to resume, so this is just pressing the button for the post button on the way back out to the safety zone. And you'll see the machine comes back into position, into its original position, switches the spindle on, takes the Z back down, back to the start position, and then continues this run. So that's basically how the light barriers and safety mat are set up and what they will do on the machine. Okay, thanks for watching.